23-year-old finds Airtel app bug that could have exposed data of 32 crore users. Airtel has fixed a security flaw that could have been used by hackers to access personal data of its over 32 crore subscribers using just their numbers. The bug was discovered in the Application Program Interface (API) of Airtel's mobile app by 23-year-old Karnataka-based security researcher Araz Ahmed. "It took me 15 minutes to find this flaw," Ahmed said. "My faith in humanity is restored." Musk after winning defamation case after a U.S. jury found that Elon Musk did not defame British cave explorer Werner Unsworth by calling him a pedo guy on Twitter. The Tesla CEO said, "My faith in humanity is restored." The 48-year-old billionaire argued that he did not intend to call Unsworth a pedophile, but instead was using "pedo guy" to mean creepy old guy. WhatsApp fixes voice calling problem associated with call waiting. WhatsApp is adding a call waiting feature for Android users to let them know someone is making a WhatsApp call when they're already on a call. It lets users either decline the incoming call or end the existing one and accept the incoming call. Earlier, users had no option to receive a call while they were already on a call.